magnificent sight it is to see. The entire school community has gathered here under one roof.
Absolutely, Shailaja teacher. The energy in this auditorium is palpable. And a very good evening to our esteemed chief guest, visionary principal ma'am, dedicated colleagues, proud parents, and most importantly, our shining stars, the students.
Tonight is not just an event on the calendar. It is a celebration of years, worth of dreams, late nights, hard-earned victories. It is our Lumina 2026 of Learning Tree.
They say that education is the passport to the future. And tonight, we'll get to see our students' passport get stamped with their creativity, talent, and passion.
Thrive and shine. It's a testament for the dedication and hard work. Let's inspire them and keep pushing boundaries.
And now let's get the event started and witness the magic unfold. Our students are ready to dazzle us with their performance, and I am sure we will be blown away with their performance.
And now let's hear from one of our dedicated teacher who has some wonderful words to share about our school. Now I request Mrs. Shahin teacher to join along with us.
Good evening, everyone. I am thrilled to stand here as an anchor. I would like to share incredible journey of our school, Lumina 2026, nestled in the heart of Moti Nagar. As we are celebrating the achievement, I would like to highlight the unwavering support and dedication that has made one of the best school in Moti Nagar. Our beloved principal, Mrs. Priyanka ma'am, has been guiding force behind our success. Her motherly care and guidance has created a neutral environment where each student is valued and encouraged to excel. Her vision and passion created a instrumental shape to our school's identity.
And now, I also want to express our gratitude to our director, sir, Mr. Reddy Vijay Babu Garu, for his tireless efforts in providing us with top-notch infrastructure and resources. Their commitment for excellence has enabled us to offer holistic education, academic brilliance, creativity, and character development.
Our school has constantly ranked among the best school in Moti Nagar, and it's a testament of our hard work of our students, teachers, and staff. And we have received a remarkable results in academics, sports, and education. So we have a focus on all-round development.
As a school, we have created a vibrant community where each student is valued, encouraged, supported, inspired to pursue their passion.
We
We are proud to say that Lumina has become a benchmark for its excellence in education, and it's our privilege to be a part of this community. Thank you, everyone. Okay, senior students. All right. All right, kids. We are thinking of handling anchoring for today's event. Are you guys okay with that?
No, no, no. We want to do it, teacher. We have practiced and everything.
Okay, it seems like you are prepared. Who is going to lead the team?
We are students. We divide the task and everything.
Okay, take it the mic.
Yes.
Thank you, teacher. We'll make sure it's a blast.
Yes, it's time for us to be the audience.
All right, everyone. Welcome to today's Lumina 2026 celebrations. Let's get this show on the road. Hey, juniors. We know you are all celebrations and we want you to be a part of it. We are handing over the mic to the juniors now. Who's ready to take the charge of anchoring?
Yeah.
Yeah, you, come on, show us your skills. You have got this.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our Learning Week Lumina 2026 celebrations. We are Aishwarya and Samanvi. Education is not acquisition of knowledge, but formation of character. We roll down a red carpet of welcoming dignitaries, parents, invitees, well-wishers and friends. It's an honor that this beautiful audience have gathered here. I, Aishwarya, with my co-host Samanvi, once again welcome you all on behalf of whole Learning Tree family, which is Lumina 2026. Today is a special day to us because this Learning Tree Lumina celebrates the spirit of unity and diversity, showcasing how our students bloom in a creativity. Let us begin with a prayer to the divine light. In this moment, I like to invite from grade 2nd and 3rd the grace song by Manvika and Bhuvika. दीपम ज्योति परब्रह्म दीपम ज्योति जनार्दन दीपो में हरे तु पापम दीपम ज्योति नमोस्तुते.